Welcome to the LG Customer Support Channel. When your refrigerator doors appear to be uneven, there are two possible causes. One cause is an uneven refrigerator cabinet. This is the more common of the two. The second possible cause is the doors being uneven, and should only be checked after the level of the cabinet has been verified. To level the cabinet of the refrigerator, first, remove the base grill. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove both the left and the right holding screws. Some models do not have a base plate. Follow this step only if applicable. Your LG refrigerator has two front leveling screws, one on the right and one on the left. If your refrigerator seems unsteady or you want the doors to close easier, adjust the refrigerator tilt using these instructions. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust the leveling screws. Turn the leveling screw clockwise or left to raise that side, or counterclockwise or right to lower it. It may take several turns of the leveling screw to adjust the tilt of the refrigerator. Open both doors again and check to make sure that they close easily. If they don't, tilt the refrigerator slightly more to the rear by turning both leveling screws clockwise. It may take several more turns, and you should turn both the leveling screws by the same amount. Depending on the flatness of your floor, more or less adjustment may be required to provide enough back tilt for the doors to close easily. When finished, use a level to verify the side-to-side leveling of the cabinet. If after verifying the leveling of the cabinet the doors are still uneven, you may need to align the refrigerator doors themselves. Door alignment can be used when the top of your refrigerator doors are uneven. To proceed, follow these steps. Both the left and right refrigerator doors have an adjustable nut located on the bottom hinge of the door. These are used to raise and lower the doors. Use the wrench provided with the owner's manual to turn the nut in the door hinge and adjust the height. Turn the nut to the right to raise the door or to the left to lower the door. Following these steps will ensure that your refrigerator cabinet is leveled as well as your doors. Thanks for watching the LG Customer Support Channel. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.